Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Apple Airpods. So yeah. So we're going to start by opening it, obviously. And I honestly don't even know how these work as far as like setting up or whatnot. And I haven't looked up any like videos. So I'm going to open it up now. Comes in this little box. I'll turn it around. So it looks like it comes with like the normal paper crap that Apple sends with their stuff. And then here looks like the little case, which I believe is the charging case. So I'm gonna open this, take all the plastic off. If I can even figure out how to take it off. Okay, there it is. So here's the little case. And then here's the little charging thing for the lightning cord. And then, so it looks like it's magnetic. Pretty easy to closure, pretty easy to open. And you could see a little light right there blinking. I don't know what that means, but let's finish taking out whatever's in the box. So here's the charging cord, okay, the lightning cable. I'm gonna break this open. And just your typical lightning cable. This would go on the bottom, and then you would plug this into the power brick. So obviously this doesn't come with the power brick, so if you need like if you wanted like a separate one besides using like the one that you have already with your phone, because assuming you're going to use this with obviously your iPhone, you could just use the cord or the power brick or the cord, and then just charge your iPhone or whatever. And then when you're done, then plug this in. So we're going to figure out how to I don't know how to fucking set this up, but I'm gonna figure it out and just do it and explain it as easy as possible. I was gonna use my daughter's phone to try it out, but then my husband's gonna use it on his phone right now because I don't use I have the S9 Plus, so obviously I'm not going to connect it to my phone, so I'm going to use my husband's phone to connect it, and then we're going to see how easy it is to connect it. So first it's saying to turn on Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is already on. And then second is connect to AirPods, which it's saying to just open the lid. So right here it's just saying flip open the lid. So Bluetooth is on. Flip open the lids. AirPods connect. So it looks like it's connected. It's showing you, oh whoops, accidentally So look, it's already connected. I accidentally closed it and it closed out of it. So I'm gonna take one of these out. Oh, this is the right one, so I'm gonna put this in. I just heard like some notification sound. So it looks like it's already plugged in. You can see the little headphone thing is showing right there. So I'm gonna try with listening to Spotify. So listen, go in. Oh yeah, I hear it. Okay, so connected. I'm on Spotify. You see right here, the source as far as listening is under AirPods. That's actually really easy to or connect to your phone. So all you do is just literally turn your Bluetooth on. Oops. So you just turn your Bluetooth on and then be within 2 inches of your phone, and you flip open the lid and then you swipe up, and then your AirPods should be connected. So then let's see what you need to do as far as like disconnecting it. So I'm gonna pause the music. I'm gonna put these back in the charging case, and then so AirPods are not connected right now. So let's just try for a second and see. Okay, yeah, as soon as you open it and you're within like 2 inches of range, then it'll pull up. Close it and it comes out. Okay, that's really easy. But anyways, that's my video on the unboxing of the Apple AirPods and how to set them up with your phone, which you can see is really easy.